Hey guys, in this lesson we are going to talk about HTML entities. And what is called entities? Yeah, entities are just code which allows us to display special symbols on your website. This like this one. This is our special symbol. How you can write the special symbol in your HTML coding. I'm just going to show you one and just copy this one. Okay. This is the example, and I have written the after hi this one, then but this is not showing that there has a symbol. This symbol is showing. Okay, now I'm going to show you that and this picture. Okay, I want to save it. This one, but this is this symbol is showing. So when you want to add the copyright sign, then you can write copy, save it, then there is a copy sign. And when you want to add this picture, registered trademark, then you can write the name of this registered, then save it. That is called symbols, and you can write the symbols in HTML coding. And lots of examples here, you can follow from this example. And if you want to write the quotation, then you can write. Also, I'm going to show you again the another one, last one. Save it. You can write the quotation mark also. And here is a list, and which list is very essential for you. If you want to get this list, then you can follow my techadvices.org, and or you can check it out my video description. Thank you. See you next time.